Hello guys, welcome to my channel Warrior Gamer 99. Today we are not gonna play or do anything. I'm gonna tell you about the new update Rampage 2 guys. Okay guys, see this is the new screen of the new update guys. Yeah, this is so amazing and I like this. Just going in. Yeah guys, one sec. Let me go change my character. I actually bought this guy, guys. I hope this or this. Yeah, I'm going to wear this, guys, because this looks so funny. Yep, the gun is gone inside his body. Yep. Okay, guys, one sec. Let me go to collection, weapon, and how to unpick. One sec. Yeah guys, you can see the 16 days near that invite and the trophy thing guys, and just press on it and this is the screen of the new update guys. Just press on that 16 days one. Yeah, you can see the bringers and livery. A big war is going on between them both guys. Okay, you actually vote for livery guys, because I know that livery is gonna win and bringers is gonna get defeated guys. I know that. I got the information from that Garena Free Fire people that more votes are there for livery only. Just please vote for livery guys to get the big bundle. Yeah, okay guys, I'm sorry. And how to vote is, you can see livery guys, and down that you can see the blue thing. Down that it will be there the joint faction guys. You just click on joint faction and you'll get another page open. Do you want to join faction? And you can't change it again guys. Just press on join faction guys, so you can vote for livery guys. Yep, you can see the livery votes every 1 hour. I am seeing it every 1 hour guys. Every 1 hour it's going more than. Actually yesterday it was just livery was in 28 only, and no, bringers was in 28 and livery was in 19 guys. So bringers was like so close to win, but the people didn't want bringers to win guys. All the other people went to livery, and just see what change has happened in 6 hours. From 19,000 it went to 32,000, and bringers is still in 28,000 from yesterday night guys. So this is the thing, and just go to faction store. So you can see guys, in the you can see classic Bermuda and ranked guys. Just go ranked and classic Bermuda. And I want to tell you one more thing. There is new version in Bermuda only, Kalahari and Bermuda guys. Before there was just only Bermuda, now there is Kalahari also. That is amazing new season guys. Yeah, and you can get wait guys, let me go here. You can see these small trophies here guys. Those trophies are so required for you to get the bundle. Yeah guys, I'll tell you how will you get the trophies. Tokens guys, they are all actually called as Rampage tokens. You'll get them only in classic Bermuda and ranked game guys. You won't get in like Clash Squad. So many people were asking in the comments that whether we can get the Rampage tokens in the Clash Squad game and in the team deathmatch. But no guys, you can get only Rampage tokens in classic Bermuda and ranked guys. So this is the thing. I know Garena Free Fire has kept a very big offer for us, giving the legendary characters for free, guys. And I want to tell you one more thing, guys. You can see the character near the library, guys. If you vote for Bringers also, you will still get the library character only. Okay, guys. And also the one change is this thing, guys. You'll get this skateboard in library, and you'll get one blue skateboard in Bringers, guys. But I think that library skateboard is only so amazing than that one. It looks stylish. You could see it. It's so gold in color. You can see library in library there with fire on his hair. Yeah, that's amazing, guys. Now I actually have 27 trophies and 20 Asian. And I want to tell you one more thing also. You can see this is in lock, guys, and this is going to be our character. See, guys, I'm sorry, 1 second. I know that you can't see over here. I'll change my character. Yeah, guys, I hope this is good. Okay, now we can see the thing. Wait, let me go to the store. See, this is going to be our new shirt, guys. Okay, see this is so cool. Just check it. And also you are going to get the emote, guys. That's amazing. And just check the behind part. There's a 3D dragon behind it. And wait, let me show you the hair. The hair is so cool. Actually, I like the hair so much, guys. This is the font of his. The font is not so good. If you get the full bundle, that will be amazing, guys. These are the shoes. Back look and front look, guys. Okay, enough of showing this. I don't know what is this, guys. If you know anything of this, you can just comment down below what is this. And I want to tell you, if you have 30 tokens also, if you have 25 tokens also, I can't buy them because it's showing log, guys. I'll tell you how to take that log. And you can see here red tokens, guys. You can see in the middle rampage, and there's a big red color symbol. So that leads to the red tokens. That's the main, guys. You need to collect the red tokens 50. Now I have only 20, guys. I need more 30 tokens to unlock this. Yeah, I'll tell you how to get this, guys. Yeah, you can read it clearly that if you get 50 carnage points, they are carnage points. If you get 50 carnage points, you can unlock the bundle. Yeah, guys, it automatically get unlocked. And I want to tell you one more thing is I forgot what is that, guys. 1 second. Just vote for library, guys, because library is just cool, guys. And just think like bringers are just like China, and in library is India, guys. That's so cool, guys. And also I want to tell you the new update. Near faction store, you can see a login spinner, guys. It's gonna start from 28th June 2020, guys. Yeah, I know it's today, it's 27th. From tomorrow, this new event is gonna start. Login spinner. Daily you'll get one spin. It's not yet open, guys. Just tomorrow it will open. The event will begin from tomorrow. Daily you'll have one free spin, guys. You can get some cool bags in it. News, skateboards, everything you want there. Yeah, guys, that is all about Rampage 2. And I want to tell you one more thing, guys. Yeah, I forgot it. See, you can see those tokens, right? Those tokens you will get more them. I know the place where we'll get more of them, right? It's just go to clock tower. I know that so many people will be there. I have one idea for that also. Just go to clock tower and you can see so many people are there. I know what to do for that, to kill all of them, and so easily I'm going to tell you now. And you can get more of the Rampage 2 tokens in clock tower, guys. Yeah. And what I was telling, when you just download Free Fire and just log in, you'll get one character called Adam, guys. Adam, I'm sorry for the disturbance. Just click on Adam. You can see Adam, guys. Just click. Yeah, just take all of them. Just have a normal thing, guys. Go to vault. Take everything. Just keep normal. Fans also normal. Shirt also normal. Where is normal? Yeah, guys. You just keep this. Shoes also normal, guys. Yeah, this is the normal one. Yeah, guys. To defeat, and you take the gun too. I don't know how to take the gun. Just leave it. If you know, you just take the gun too. So you'll be like a noob, guys. I know you are a pro. Everyone is a pro, and some people will be noob. And just if you take everything, you will be a noob. Everyone will think you are a noob, guys. And when you click on start, you will get all noob players, guys. That trick will work for sure. So I know that you are a pro. You can kill all the noob players which are starting. I like first match or third match, like that it will come, guys. So you can kill them easily, and you can just get the gold tokens, Rampage tokens, so easy, guys. And that's the end of our video, guys. Just like, share and subscribe to our channel, guys. Thank you, guys. See you tomorrow in the next video, guys. Please subscribe, like and share our videos, guys. See you. Bye, everyone.